Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra, featuring 16,200 Pascal suction, flex-arm design mop, and auto mop hot water washing and hot air drying. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver unbeatable cleaning performance. The J15 Pro Ultra boasts up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance with an 8-in-1 functional base that automatically empties debris, refills water, and washes and dries the mop pads. The advanced aluminum fan boosts motor performance and heat dissipation. This robot vacuum features AI obstacle avoidance, intelligent dirt detection, and a flex-arm design that extends cleaning to reach all tight spots and corners. The Flexi Razor anti-hair tangling technology reduces hair wrapping by 99%. The J15 Pro Ultra comes with a self-emptying base and advanced navigation system, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. It's perfect for homes with pets or allergies. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra.